Hi, Mason. Steve from All-Star Case Breaks doing a box of 2016 Bowman Vending for Mason. Good luck, man.
They're saying good luck to you. You in here for Bowman?
Yes.
He wants a case or two of Bowman.
Sure. Yeah. I was going to go to Cherokee tonight and take $500 and put it on black or red, and I've got $200 worth of free play. So why don't I just gamble here?
Sounds good. Which box would you like, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number 5. First Bowman vending that I've done. 4 packs.
Yep.
Oh, this is much better than opening 24 packs. Hernandez. So we have the stars on top. Top 100 updates, Ronaldo Lopez, Austin Riley, Nick Birdie, is that the black and gold?
Yep.
And congratulations, O'Neal Cruz, purple, number 56 out of 250. Nice way to start the case, or the box. All right, pack number 2. Max Kepler, Piscotti rookie, Michael Soraka top 100, Antonio Senzatella, David Paulino, black gold, and a redemption. Have you hit redemptions before?
Not.
First redemption. Chrome Prospect autograph of Terrell Jenkins. I believe that's pretty good.
Just the base auto. Yep, 3 autos per vending.
Josh Hader, Jacob Nottingham, a refractor of Victor Alcantara.
Those are numbered, by the way.
Refractor number 34 out of 499. And we should have an auto in this pack. Conforto rookie to start. This was the rookie card pack, clearly. Tyler O'Neill, Jack Flaherty top 100, Sam Howard, and Adam Engel auto. Well, thanks, Mason. Appreciate it. If you want more, just let Tony know, and we will ship it out today.
We're back doing another box of vending. Good luck. Decided to go the longer route. Then you are done. All right, sounds good.
Well, they did. They more did it for the 21 for $6 or $7.
So you can do $13 cards.
What did he say?
Probably that would fly. I just can't do it to you. If you have really good
Alright.
stuff, they just charge you.
So we got
If
the
you have really expensive
base.
cards, your best bet is to do it yourself.
Then we get to
What's your idea of expensive and not? I mean,
Nick Plummer, Tops 100.
Go on their website and look. That'll tell you.
Cody Bellinger, Tops 100.
Well, I mean, what I've got.
Manuel Margaret. And a purple Ricardo Sanchez for the Braves. Nice. Two Colorados is not bad. What up, Rob? And we got the base. That is no bueno. We got a gold Park. We got a red out of 5. I forget. Not auto. No supers yet. We did hit a red. Yeah, you never know who's going to be good. Garcia. Taylor Ward. Another Garcia. Oh, yeah, that's right. You were here. Oh, we hit Corey Seager at a 99. Jacob Nottingham, purple. And the auto is Corey Black for the Cubs.
Those are tough cards to buy.
That's why the graded, super high grade ones are so expensive.
Yeah.
Because they're very hard to find.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Corey Black.
I mean, I found it beautiful.
This one is 129 out of 250. Yeah, Rob, you left us. How are we going to do the group break without you?
Okay. How much newer is this one than the one I have?
That one's brand new. It just came out.
Yeah. It's not good that he got in trouble.
It's probably a little different.
Mike Clevinger, Tops 100. Joe Musgrove, Tops 100. Gonzalez. And Ozuna for the Cardinals.
What time do you open up tomorrow? Because I've got to go to Kentucky tomorrow. You open up at 10?
You should just get a case so we can bust it.
Will you be here at 10?
I haven't seen Paul on at all either. I don't know if he'd want to do it.
Let me get this straight. Okay. I saw it the other day and I thought I had it. Are you sure you're here at 10 o'clock?
Sometimes I'm late.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm early.
Okay. Because I'll be on my way to Kentucky tomorrow.
Seems like it's going to be a base pack. Taylor Guerreri, Austin Ray, and that is it. Well, thanks and congrats on the color. You got a Ozuna base, Jacob Nottingham purple, Corey Black base auto, and Ricardo Sanchez purple. Then you got the O'Neal Cruz purple, Adam Engel base, and a Tyrell Jenkins base. Well, thanks. See you guys next time.